my lifetime as like my, you know, to my thanks viewers. I will request you to subscribe to me. I really will you guys, and I might even help you and comment on your video who uses sound every time. I'm not lying. If you're watching and you actually play this video, like pretty sure I will comment on your videos. I'm not gonna lying. I will show my swords and I will see you there, and I will comment on your video actually. And if you're anything black screen, anything, even though it's emoji cat, black screen, faces, I don't know what to my imagination. So you can do anything you want. I'll just comment on you want. Will attack anything. So yeah, I will continue my account. My emoji get total. Yay! My emoji get total.